Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the total value of order quotation in Microsoft Excel. For example, here I have a customer order quotation tracking format and I need to calculate the total value of the order quotation. Here in the first column, I have the name of the product listed, and beside this, there is a unit price of these products. When I get the order quotation from the customer, then I have to enter the quantities here first. Then I will calculate the total value of the quotation. First of all, let me enter some quantities. Now, after entering the quantity ordered by this customer, to calculate the total value of this quotation, you have to use a function here, that is the sum product function. The sum product function in Excel is used for calculating the sum of the multiplication from two or more range. To calculate the total value of order quotation, here we need to multiply every single values here in these two range, in the quantity range and in the price range. Then we have to add the result of the multiplication. This means we have to multiply the 24 with 150, 12 with 130, 36 with 65. Then we have to add the result of all three multiplications, which we can directly do by the sum product function here. So in this total order value cell, press equal to, type the sum product function, open bracket. In the array 1, simply take the unit price range, then lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Then give a comma. In the array 2, select the quantity range for the first customer. Now close the bracket and press enter. This is the total order value for the customer AB. Now you can click on the fill handle, then drag this formula till the last customer, and here you see all the order quotation value is now calculated by multiplying the quantity with the price, then adding the result of the multiplication. So this is the way we can calculate the total order quotation value in Microsoft Excel. This much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.